Ladies, gentlemen, people of all ages, the day has come.
It has been 5 days of rain.
We have clear skies. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. On a serious note, I actually woke up with a great burst of energy and motivation this morning. I've just been so glum and not down, I haven't really been sad. I've just been like unmotivated, and I think it's because it's just been raining nonstop since I literally left New York City. It has been just raining, which was like 5 or 6 days ago. I don't even know at this point. But today we're going to the Sleeping Bear Dunes in Michigan. It's about 2 hours north from where I am currently, and it's just this big giant downhill sand dune that you literally climb down or fall down to get to. It's like to just a little beach on Lake Michigan. Heard it's like nearly 90 degrees, so it's like very, very steep, and I've heard if you can't get back up, it's a $3,000 fine for search and rescue to come get you. So let's just hope we can get back up, because $3,000 is way too much. It's like way too much money for me. That's bigger than I thought. I know there's one near the lake, but I don't know where that is. It might be, I don't know. Oh, I guess we're gonna find it, but let's start climbing. I think I was supposed to pay a park entrance fee, but I see a lot of other cars that don't have any passes in their windows, and the booth was closed. So we're just gonna pray.
I feel like I should have gotten Chacos or something.
There's a dune trail, and I'm on that, but I don't know where it leads, so I'm just gonna keep going.
I'm thinking maybe once I'm over that hill,
I might be able to see the lake, and that'll be fun.
keep on pumping, keep on trekking. Going downhill right now.
I love downhill. Downhill's nice. The sand is nice and cool. 3, 5, 4, fum.
I see the lake. I see it.
I'm at a point of no return right now, and I just realized I forgot my drone. Good job, Kenny. You're doing great. I'm not going back, I tell you that much. I don't even know if I'm allowed to fly my drone here, so maybe it's good. Maybe I can't even fly it. So. That's a pretty freaking incredible view, I have to say. I'm stopping here though. This is definitely, yeah, I'm stopping here because the trail just keeps going. I'm pretty sure it goes all the way to the lake, and no, I'm okay. Thanks. I'm okay though.
Are you going up and down and up?
I mean, I'm not very good at it, but you gotta give credit to people who do those kinds of shots, because they just go, and they walk, and then they come back and they get the camera. All right, I did some research, and I found the scenic overlook of the lake that goes like really straight down. I'm gonna get off this dune and head to that one.
Did not realize how far I actually went. I was probably like a good 3/4 of a mile in here.
I feel like Frozone, but with sand. They call me Sand Zone. All right, I'm done.
All right, we're headed back down.
I know, again, it doesn't look steep on camera, but this is at least a 50-degree angle downhill, which is pretty steep. People are probably looking at me being like, what the hell is this tourist doing on our land? My bad. I'm in sweat shorts, in sandals, with a huge hiking backpack on. Yeah, I'm a tourist. You know how confident I was that I wasn't gonna get a ticket? I even left my truck unlocked. Totally on purpose. Definitely wasn't an accident. Cut the cameras, please. On to our next destination. But first I need water. I'm drinking and driving, guys. Oh no. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little intimidating.
It goes like straight down. Like you can't even tell. Like this is straight out. It goes down. Like beautiful view.
But this is like that. I want to go down. I want to go down, but it's $3,000 if I can't get back up. I think I'm gonna do it though. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gaining the courage.
Yep.
I'm about halfway down, not even. I'm probably about a third the way down, and like it's this might have been a mistake. I think I can get back up. I'm pretty sure I can get back up. It might take me an hour, but I think I can. But this is insane. This is really steep. Like the camera, I'm telling you, the camera does not do this justice. It is at least 80 degrees. It's on an 80-degree angle downhill. I'm like leaning forward sitting down right now. I mean, I made it to the bottom, so cheers to me. And this is incredible. Like, look at this.
I mean, first off, the water is like crystal clear. Like you can see beautiful rocks. But the view, I mean, it's just endless. Endless lake. Absolutely endless. Woo! But, oh wow, look at that.
Absolutely incredible. Possibly one of the best things I've ever done in my life, which is, hopefully I can get back up though, because then it could turn into the worst. So I originally saw this on a TikTok literally a few days ago, and I was like, hey, well, I'm in Michigan. I'm gonna go try that. It's scarier in person, but it's incredible. I have my drone, hold on. Definitely just got the best drone footage of my life. Insane. But time to make the trek back up. So this is where it gets scary, because if I can't make it, that's three grand. But I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I made it! I didn't have to call search and rescue. I did it. I think that was one of, if not the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. It took me probably about 45 minutes to climb back up because it was so steep. I had to take 100 breaks. There's this German family that I was talking to. They were very, very nice, and some of them, like, they didn't bring water and they needed water, so I gave them some of my water. But oh my gosh, that was next level. I think Mount Everest is next. I think that yeah. Incredible though, absolutely incredible. Beautiful once you got down to the water, beautiful back up top. I got into this parking lot at about 12:20. It is 1:50 right now, so that whole excursion was about an hour and a half. It took me about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes to actually decide to go down, but and then it took me, I don't know, 10 minutes to get down, and I stayed down there for a little, got some drone footage, and then it took me about 45 minutes to get back up. But amazing, incredible experience though. I don't know if I'd do it again, maybe in like 4 years, but no time soon, because as long as I remember that pain of coming back up, I'm good. I'm good for the time being. All right, we made it to one of our most very sought out destinations. Planet Fitness, woo! We love Planet Fitness. Anyways, obviously I'm gonna take a shower to try and minimize the amount of sand I get in my truck. Okay, we are clean, ready to go. Now we gotta find somewhere to stay tonight, but it shouldn't be too hard. I mean, we're in a pretty rural area. Well, I definitely found the spot for tonight, but it's getting dark pretty fast, so I gotta get set up. But it's a nice spot, much better actually than, I like this spot more than I liked the spot I've been staying at, so it's nice. Much more space and privacy here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.